What are variables and constants? This lesson introduces the use of variables and constants to store data or the results of mathematical operations in computer programming. Computer program process information. Some of the information that is input, stored and used in computer program has a value that is constant, meaning it does not change throughout the course of the program. An example of constant in maths is pi, because pi has one value that never changes. Let's understand this by looking at the given examples. The day of the week, the year, student's name, the school's address are the example of constants which remain same throughout the program cycle. Other piece of information has values that vary or change during the running of a program. Programmers create variables to hold the value of information that may change. Like in a game program, a variable may be created to hold the player's current score, since that value would change during the course of a game. Variable hold a specific type of information. In MicroBit, variable can keep track of numbers, string, booleans, and sprites. The first time you use a variable, its type is assigned to match whatever it is holding. From the point forward, you can only change the value of that value to another type of that same type. I will give you some example for that to understand much in detail. The temperature, weather, the current time, the current class, whether they are standing or sitting are the perfect example of variables that keep changes throughout the program. As you can see on the screen, the type of variables, a number variable could hold numeric data such as year, temperature, or the degree or acceleration. A string variable holds a string of alphanumeric characters such as person name, password, day of the week. A Boolean variable has two values, true or false. You might have certain things that happen only when the variable called game over is false. For example, a sprite variable is a spatial variable that represents a single dot on the screen and holds two separate values for the rows and columns that dot is currently in. Let's look at MicroBit code to understand its better. Alright, so let's see a small demo how we can create a variable and a constant in MicroBit. I will take two variables. First one is a pi and the second one is a first name. So let me create a variable with the name of pi. And I'll drag it to the code panel and assign a default value is 3.14. I will make another variable with the name of first name or message. So I would like to use these two variables. The pi, when I click the button A, it should display the value of pi over here on the screen. So how to do that? I will go to input block. I'll drag the button A over here. Make sure you're selecting the button A because this functionality is related to button A. When I click the button A, it should display the value of pi over here on this screen. To do that, I will go to basic, drag the show number and assign the variable pi to show number. The other functionality that I want to show you, with a click of button B, I should show a string variable. To do that, I will go to input again. I will drag that block over here. Make sure you're selecting the B I will take the variable message over here and assign the string to this variable with the help of text, and drag this over here to assign the string to the variable message. And I can start typing any message over here like hi. And to show it on the LED screen, I will take the show string block and assign it over here to the button B, and I will assign the variable message to show string over here so that it can take the hello hi message over here and show it on the LED. Let's see how the code works now. When I click the button A, it should show the message 3.14, the default constant variable which is assigned when the code started. When I click the button B, if you see this, hi, the message which has string message, which is hi. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much.